Welcome. In this video I will show you how to rotate the screen of your ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop. To rotate your laptop screen, click on the Start button, then go to Settings, then open System menu on the sidebar and go to Display. Here in Display, navigate to Display Orientation, expand the list next to this option and select one of the orientations you see right here. By default, the landscape orientation is selected, so in order to rotate the screen, for example, on the side, we have to either select portrait or portrait flipped. Then we'll have 15 seconds to either keep changes or revert them. If we don't keep changes, they will be reverted automatically. To rotate the screen back, expand this list once again and select landscape and keep changes. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.